Hi, I'm David from TBS Cymru. Hope you're enjoying the sort of August mixed weather. But August is not just holiday time, we need your help. Welsh Government published a consultation, and it's about how you as tenants can influence the way housing associations in Wales are regulated, governed and accountable to tenants. So they've very much changed and improved regulatory guidelines, and they are important. It's vital that you, as tenants, have your say. So, what are we doing? So, TBS are running 3 workshops that will allow you to share your thoughts, have a say, and get a real feel for what this new regulatory framework's about. The 3 sessions are identical, so you only need to attend one. And I believe we have a tenant-only session on the 10th of August, and then a staff-only session on the 12th of August, and then a mixed one, so tenants and staff, on the 18th of August. So these events are free, they're for TBS Cymru members. Hope to see you there. Diolch yn fawr.